Hello traders, hope you're all doing great. So I have taken a calculated risk. I have taken a strategy or I have deployed a strategy today afternoon for the weekend. If I win this trade, if my predictions or my perspective about the market is right, I will make around 1.25 lakhs profit. If I am wrong or if my prediction goes wrong, I will lose 50,000. Of course, I'm not going to lose or we are not going to lose. Why? Because we will do some adjustment. What is the trade? What is the logic behind this trade? Why I have to deploy this trade in this time? I will brief you in detail. Before that, let me talk something about FinGrid. You know, FinGrid is a very famous website. What they have done is they have given free access for 3 days. You don't have to put any card details. You don't have to put your debit card or credit card details. 3 days of free access. They have more than 60 or 70 contents ranging from option tradings to mutual fund to strategies to swing tradings to investment to stocks, whatnot. So it is all about FinGrid is all about investment. So you have to, if you want to acquire knowledge or if you want knowledge about trading and stock investment or fundamentals or technicals, of course you can go to FinGrid and you can enjoy 3 days of free access. In case if you are satisfied with them, you can proceed, you can make the payment and you can have a membership plan or you can select or you can subscribe a membership plan. Now what I'll do is I'll leave the link in the description below. You can go and enjoy if you want, right? Now coming back to our strategy. Now what is the strategy? Strategy is not a big rocket science. It is a very, very simple strategy. What I have done is this is called bull call spread, right? So what is bull call spread? Bull call spread is nothing but, I'll show you. Bull call spread is nothing but selling at the money and buying out of the money. Call option is called bull call spread, right? Now instead of selling at the money call option and buying out of the money call option, what I have done is I have sold deep in the money call option and I have bought at the money call option. So you can see here 41,800 I have sold 10 lots and 42,500 call option I have sold 10 lots, right? This is the strategy. This is a very, very simple strategy. This is not rocket science. Everybody can do this and even a 5th grade child can do this strategy, right? Now what is going to happen, right? What is my prediction or what is the logic behind selecting this trade or doing this trade? Now you know everybody is bullish, every Tom, Dick and Harry is bullish, everybody is expecting market is going to go on the higher side, right? So am I, right? I'm also bullish, right? Like everyone, like I used to be bearish before. Now as I have also turned bullish. I am also expecting market to go on the higher side. And the second thing is that markets are very resilient and they don't want to come downside. Even today what happened is Bank Nifty came down. You saw here there was a divergence. You can see the positive divergence. Positive divergence is that price action is making lower high and lower low, right? Something like that. So you can see here first one 42,260, then 42,220 levels, but at the same time RSI is having divergence. So this is a positive divergence and we know what happened. Market rallied and settled around 42,450 levels. Now this 42,500 seems to be a very, very strong area, support area or resistant area. So last 3 or 4 days markets are fighting, bulls and bears are fighting for this 42,500. Okay. Now what I think is, since the US we are getting positive cues from global market, we believe that the market will gap up on Monday. So that is my expectation. Even if it comes down, see what can happen now here. Either the market has to go sideways or market has to go on the higher side and market has to come on the downside. In this 2 scenarios in favor of us, right? Even if the market is not moving, it is not going to be in profit, but we can change that in our favor. That I will tell you later, or how we can do it. We will talk about that in details. If the market goes higher, I'll be in profit. Okay. Now, out of three scenarios, only one scenario, right? To be technically speaking, only one scenario. That is, if the market comes down, if you see this strategy, if the market comes down, I will make profit. If the market doesn't come down, I am not going to make profit. If the market goes up, also I am not going to make profit. If the market stays in the same place, also I am not going to make profit. Will the market come down? That is the question, right? Now, everybody is bullish, I am bearish. You know that when everyone is bullish, I am bearish means I have already told I am a bear and I will always find a way to short this market. Now, what I expect is maybe this 42,500, which is just around 50 or 60 points away, right? It is not much high. It is going to be a very, very tough resistance, or it is going to be very hard to be taken out for the bulls. Now, what is happening in terms of Bank Nifty is that I've been saying this, there is a divergence. There is a divergence in Bank Nifty, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. What you can see here is price action is forming higher high. This is higher low, this is higher high. Last time it was around 41,500. Now it is struggling around 42,200 levels or 42,400 levels. At the same time, RSI is having a divergence. Now, if this divergence work, the strategy will work in my favor, right? The strategy will work in my favor. Market will come down. I may make money. If at all it goes on the higher side, we will have to do some management, we will have to make some adjustment, and we will have to do some circus to make this trade profitable. Or worst case scenario, we will have to at least make this trade less profitable or very less loss. That is our idea here, right? Not only in Bank Nifty, even in Nifty 50, there is a divergence, steep divergence. This divergence might work. I am expecting the market to, for this price action to have this divergence worked. Now, what is happening here? Bank Nifty is kind of strong, but Nifty is not strong, right? You can see here today's price action from 18,300, it came all the way to 18,200 level. 100 points or 400 or 200 points movement is a not big deal in Nifty and Bank Nifty. In fact, we have seen Nifty moving 400, 500 points, Bank Nifty moving 1,000, 1,200 points. So this is not a big deal. But what we are missing here is, or what we are not capturing here is, there is no upside momentum, right? You need a strong momentum, or you need a positive, a very strong positive news for the markets to go on the higher side, right? So I believe that there is no positive news in the market, and market may slightly come down, right? If it comes down, I'll make profit. If it goes up, we will have to make some adjustment. What are those adjustments? I will let you know once the strategy. Let's see how the strategy works first. Then I will let you know what we have done, or if it goes wrong, what we are going to do. I will surely let you know on the next video. And hopefully, as you may know, as I talk to you, US futures are all in the green. In fact, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq is all up by 0.5%. Not only that, FTSE, CAC, German index, and France are all almost 1%, 1 to 1.5% on the green side. So everything is green, but we have taken a bearish strategy, right? Now I will tell you, everyone can talk about what is going to happen if we deploy a strategy, what is going to happen, what will happen if your perspective is going correct. Now we will see what if our perspective goes wrong. That is where you can see the management. That is where you can find what can be done. If you do more mistakes, that is where you will find the lessons. That is where you can learn. You can learn only when you make mistakes. So everybody is bullish in the market. We are bearish, and we have taken a bearish strategy for the weekend. Let us see how this strategy works, right? And otherwise also I think FIIs also have bought, I don't think they have bought. I think FIIs have sold for around 751 crores and DIIs have bought for around 890 crores. So this is all about the market. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to do here. I will follow up, or I will put a follow up trade on this strategy. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.